We have the world's greatest You Make It, We Skate It skateboard today. And we have also Mr. Andy Anderson.
Oh, hi.
Special guest in the house.
What's going on?
I got gloves on.
So go ahead.
Oh!
Whoa. JD's been throwing it awfully hard, and that was a nice soft throw. Thank you, Justin, Daniel.
That's a transformer in there. Sliding out.
Oh, the gloves, dude.
Teamwork is a
gloves
dreamer.
are gripping. Ah! Oh! Ah!
There's got to be a note in here somewhere.
Dude, what the heck? I swear I seen one of these when I was like a little
Two guys
kid.
on board.
Leave it in the comments below. If you love skateboarding, if that's your favorite thing.
Okay, hold that, bro.
Snakeboard. It looks like it's seen better days. Maybe we don't even do a video. We just do a video refurbishing it.
I think we can kickflip it.
You think so?
Oh my god, dude, the tail on that thing?
Yeah, JD, definitely.
If you can kickflip this, I'll give you $10 million. But it has to be first try.
I like how this is so good, and then it's just.
Yeah, well, the thing is, what do you think that is on there? My hips don't lie, my hips don't lie, my hips don't lie. How did the dog get out?
Because it's easier once you're going.
We might need to hack this.
Watch out.
Rolling
Oh, God.
Easy.
So Andy saw this and he's like, oh my gosh, I've always wanted to skate one of these.
I'm not even joking. Like when I was a little kid, I was at the skate park and saw someone riding one of these. And forever on, I was like, oh, I'm just gonna start seeing these everywhere. No, never saw another one ever. But dude, the one I saw was like this, where it had like just the stick in the middle. But I think it was like.
What if we just ruin Andy Anderson's entire skateboard career with this one video? He's like, after the snakeboard, I couldn't do any tricks. My hips don't lie, my hips don't lie. Oh, wow. Yeah. No way.
We might need to put some new bearings in or something.
Oh! Dude, I have no idea. Like, my brain is totally.
Moosh? It's not that bad. You just gotta hold it straight. We'll start low and we'll go high.
Oh! It makes my brain think that it should be easy.
My hips don't lie. Every bone in my body feels like it shouldn't be working.
So I'm just trying to tic-tac without lifting up. Whoa, dude, the back foot is tripping me out.
Professional snakeboard rider.
I'm trying to get down like this. It's just not letting me get down like this.
He's in the 0 sub-degree weather.
Can we, hey, whoever sent this, can you send us a video of you riding this? Because I just want to see you go down a hill with this.
I think that's why they sent it to us. They were like, great, I know who deserves this. I bet Mowgli thought he was gonna throw down on it.
I thought it was gonna work. Down on the bank.
I'll Venmo you $1 billion.
Yeah.
My hips don't lie, my hips don't lie.
Oh! You like that, huh?
First ollie down.
I didn't catch myself.
And that is how I met your mother.
Catch my balance.
When it works. I just can't turn.
Yep, that makes total sense. Okay, I'm actually shocked. He actually does know how to do it. I'm gonna take back every mean thing I ever said about Uzi.
These are harder than the free skates. It's crazy.
When I was a kid and saw this at a skate park, the dude was ripping. Really?
No.
Yeah. Like that's why it looked cool, because he was ripping.
Snakeboard.
Dude, you're killing it. Dude,
Hold on, Snakeboard Championship 1996.
I thought this was gonna be what I did for a life.
No! He just did a front flip.
720?
Snakeboard Championship. Okay, so how do we actually ride this? I want to get to mini ramp style competition. Rick's taking it to the ramps. You need a push?
Okay.
Take it back to the beginning. Whoa, we'll kickflip this for sure.
We 100% will.
You will not.
No way. I told you, riding's way harder.
Oh! Almost broke a finger.
Look at his stance. Get this man off of
Let's
this
do
thing.
kickflip off. The coolest thing.
Nothing's impossible. You're like, okay, let me adjust my foot. Nope, let me adjust it that way. Nope. How do you adjust your foot? You can't. No way, there's no way.
That was a good attempt.
Billboard's getting ready for the Arctic wind.
Oh, it's just a little chilly outside, fellas.
A little chilly outside. I can only get protected by my Palace gear.
All right, that's insane.
You're about to lose
Oh, he
$1
said,
billion.
easy, easy. You can do it, Uzi. Quick public service announcement. If anybody out there has a crazy board or a crazy idea for You Make It, We Skate It, send us your idea. The link will be down there in that description below. You Make It, We Skate It. It's go time. First try. My 2 dogs are over there, and Uzi's literally just sitting there with the dogs. I'm a dog. Mowgli got a street clip this morning. Full-length video part coming soon on the snakeboard. Well, out of all those videos, they might have 720'd this, but did they ever kickflip it? The answer was no. So we're breaking new ground here. NBD, never be doomed. Ready? That's what I'm saying. Slow-mo this man. Okay, Rick, just go ahead.
Let me get one. Please, man. Maybe if they're a little opposite, you get a better flick. Oh.
For Jim Carrey. Deep breathe.
For Jim Carrey.
If you land it right here, I'll buy you 10 billion fingerboards.
10 billion?
Every fingerboard in the history of fingerboarding will go to your house.
That'll be expensive.
You think?
Definitely. $300 a set. Oh! I think I got it.
All right, deep pop.
Rick, are you okay? You got some screws loose up in there. Dang, boy. This girl is on fire. Mowgli, is a tree, or is a tree a shrub?
Ah!
That's weird, because it pops out from you.
Just stand away just a little bit.
You're back.
Whoa! Like I said, impossible, cannot be done. Nobody will ever kickflip this. All right, Ricky, send me the details of your Venmo. It'll be right.
Okay.
Yeah.
Billion fingerboards, right?
Yeah. That's at least 10 million views on the reels. Like, easy. What else you got?
Impossible.
Anything? Ollie impossible?
50-50.
3 block? 50-50?
You got that easy.
It's gonna happen by me.
It's not gonna happen by you?
Oh no.
I mean, if you just hold it straight. I love how we can't even ride down a bank and they're setting up rails.
Yeah, no.
I know what we'll do. We'll take every snake at the skate park and we'll take away whatever thing they're doing. We'll give them a snake board and then we'll say, go ahead.
If I can figure out how to gain speed and turn around. I got on!
Oh! 3 seconds. 3 seconds.
Oh my god, that's what we should be doing. What?
He's still on it.
Hopefully I don't get shinned this time.
No, that was
Oh!
Yo, this is scary to watch.
Okay, right here.
Oh.
Come on! They were not doing that in 1996 international champions.
Oh, that's totally how you do it.
Spacewalk on a skateboard.
I'm doing that. I'm doing it right now. Oh, dude, that's right there.
Landing back on it and actually landing is just the hardest thing ever. Give this man an Oscar.
That actually felt.
That was a good kickflip.
It felt good.
Knee pads, elbow pads, helmet.
Let's go to the mini ramp.
Ricky, I don't know about this. Social media guy. He's sort of walking the other way.
This is how it was. You have to choose when to go.
It's like one of those like mini golf things. When will you roll in? The answer is literally never.
If you had this,
Oh.
Ricky, do not do this.
I think I got it.
No. No, Ricky Ice.
I'm doing it to protect JD.
It's like, what's your injury of choice? Oh, my knees. Okay, let's get on a thing that spins.
It's like a rocker.
Just be ready, JD.
Oh no, that's scary.
No, Ricky, you get out of there.
But now you can have your feet on better.
Oh, Ricky. Stop.
I was so confident, and then it just all went downhill. Oh, I like that combo.
I love how he slams and he goes, I got that. That's the difference between being 38 and being 12.
Just think, they were doing 720s in 1985.
Yeah, nose blunt, rock to fakie. This just shows the degradation of society. We went from very advanced technological beings to this. It's embarrassing.
Oh. Let's just chalk it. It's okay. My Manca 540 is real bored. He don't need to do this.
I think he's getting warmed up for Road to 720. How are you feeling about it?
If you ever want to learn how to drop in, study that fall. That is how you fall. That was such a good fall.
Watch out, watch out.
Woo! That's my man.
Still gotta get this part out. Glow.
Rick, we're just getting your knee better. I think this is a good time to call it. Justin Daniels, you got it.
Oh, that was close.
Ricky, no.
I think so.
JD's close, Ricky's not so much. Okay, real talk. If there are any professional snakeboarders left anywhere in the entire world, you better reach out to us. We need to do a video, World's Best Snakeboarders, let's go. Braille Army, let's find them.
Can't believe I almost quit skating.
Yeah, in an alternate universe, Andy Anderson quit skating to snakeboard. What would that world look like?
Oh, I remember the other trick I was gonna do. Please.
Gotta grab onto the pizza board.
Whoa, that mall grab though. Come on, you don't want to be labeled a poser.
That was so rare.
You did it!
I don't know how I did that.
All right, if there are any professional snakeboarders left in the entire world, please, we need you. World's Best Snakeboarders, let's go. And if you have an idea for You Make It, We Skate It, check that link in the description below. I love to see what you guys got to come up with. I love to see what you'll make. Come on, what's next? Bowling ball wheels? Let's get it, Braille Army. Check out all those videos right there. Subscribe, like, leave a comment below, and you, yes, you, learn to ride a skateboard. You won't be sorry you did.